Hey guys, Chris from Hockey Tutorial here, and today in this video we're going to be taking a look at the brand new FT3 Pro stick from CCM and VSing it against the previous generation, the FT2. As always, we're going to be showing you the difference between these two sticks to see if the new changes or upgrades made in the FT3 are significant enough for players to notice on the ice, hopefully helping you to figure out which one you should go for, if it's going to be the brand new FT3 Pro or you're going to be saving yourself some money and grabbing the previous generation FT2, which is still an elite level stick. Let's take a look and see if we can spot the difference between these sticks. And just before we jump into the video, hopefully you've thumbs up and also subscribed so you can stay up to date with our videos. And also all of the new Hockey Tutorial jersey designs, which are all custom with your country flag, your name and your number on them, are down below in the video description. This design I'm wearing is a one-off, but there's a bunch of new designs down below in the video description. Let's jump into the video. So when we look at both of these sticks, FT3 Pro versus the FT2, what's been changed? Now essentially it's two main things that CCM has improved or adapted for the new generation of FT3 sticks, or FT3 Pro in this case. Now the first thing is going to be in terms of the actual construction of the shaft. Now CCM is still using their renowned Sigmatex, which is that elite level carbon fiber that we've seen in a lot of CCM's top end sticks and some of the sticks below that as well. Now what's changed is that they're using a new nano-light carbon layering process. Effectively what this does is allow CCM to optimize the weight of the brand new FT3 Pro stick without jeopardizing or sacrificing its durability. So the immediate response that you're going to get from that is you can expect the FT3 Pro stick to be lighter than what you felt in the FT2, but it's still going to have that same great durability. Now in terms of the weight that's being saved, the new FT3 Pro is going to be sat around the 385 gram mark, whereas the previous generation FT2, depending on of course which stick setup you went for or stick spec you went for, was around the 410 mark. Now from there, when we look at the geometry of the shape of the actual shaft itself, it's going to have a very, very familiar feel. If you close your eyes, essentially, it's very difficult to tell the difference between the FT3 Pro and the FT2. So if you got used to that feel and that's the feel that you like, you can expect the same great feel in the brand new FT3 Pro stick. Now as we move into the blade, we're seeing CCM's FJ90 blade, which features a dampened core. It also features a reinforced heel and toe area. All of these features together are essentially going to give you a heightened feel for the puck. Of course, this is something that's going to be debatable depending on when we hand it over to the players on the ice and see if they're able to spot the difference and feel between both of these two sticks' performance. Now also depending on which stick curve you go for, CCM have introduced a brand new curve with the new FT3 Pro. That's the P90TM. Essentially this is a mix between the P28 and the P29. If you're wondering how it's different, it has a little bit more of a toe hook. But in addition to this, one of the biggest features or the most significant feature about this new curve is the fact that it offers max height in the blade or the curve. Now that's going to be for those players that are looking for a little bit more surface area or height in their curves. To benefit those types of players, especially if you're the type of player that likes to hit the puck out of the air, having more surface area on the curve or the blade is definitely going to aid you in that area. Now when we look at the FT3 Pro versus the FT2, we can only say that there's maybe 2 or 3 major things that CCM has adapted or improved. The reason for this is that the FT2 was a winning recipe, and when you're onto something that's doing a good job, it doesn't make sense to alter it or change it too much. Maintaining the durability while reducing the weight of the stick and also trying to enhance the performance of the blade and the feel of the puck is essentially going to be ideal for the players that are looking for an upgrade from the previous generation of sticks. Not too many changes, but it was a good stick, it was a winning recipe. But let's hand over to the players and see what they notice, if they're able to pick up on any differences at all between these two sticks, and of course most importantly which one that they prefer, so we can figure out which one you guys should consider getting for the upcoming season.
When I was trying sticks FT2 and CCM FT3, I really didn't find any difference while I was shooting. Stick handling, the only thing I can say probably is that FT3 is a bit lighter, but I can't see any other difference there.
Obě hokejky, jak FT2, tak FT3, mě přišly dobrý, dobře se s nima míchalo, i střílelo, akorát FT3 byla o něco lehčí a jinak obě se dobře držely a přijdou mi stejný. Tak vybral bych si asi hokejku FT3 kvůli tomu, že je lehčí než FT2.
Obě dvě hokejky mi přišly stejný při střelbě, při míchání, při nějakých dovednostech, ale vybral bych si hokejku FT3, protože se mi zdál o něco málo lehčí, ale to je asi jediný rozdíl. mezi oběma hokejkama.
As always, guys, a big thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. If you want any more information on either one of these two sticks, or if you want to pick them up, the link will be down below in the video description. As always, make sure to thumbs up, subscribe so you can stay up to date with all of the videos that we post, and we'll catch you in the next one. Take care.